Today, Tika and Nanda are working on their English assignment. Not long after, Nabila comes and greets them.
Hi friends, what are you doing here?
Hi Nabila, I'm working on my English assignment.
Yes, I am also working on the same assignment with Tika. Oh really? What kind of assignment is it?
We have to make a dialogue about meeting and leave taking.
Interesting. What is your lecture? The lecture is surprise. I see. Is it difficult?
A little bit, but we can handle it if we practice together.
Yes, homework might be studying. That's great. By the way, where will you record the video?
Maybe in the classroom so it looks formal.
Or in the library because it is quiet? Good idea. Anyway, I'm going to the canteen now. Do you want to join?
No, thank you. We want to finish this first.
Yes, my good. Alright then, good luck with your assignment. Bye guys.
Thank you Nabila.
Bye,
See you
Nabila.
later.
Bye.